Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be opening another entry for my birthday challenge giveaway, and received and opened this package from Karina from Cave It Crafting, and that's her Instagram. She's got several planner layouts and journaling layouts, journaling things, some hauls on there. So really fun Instagram. And yeah, so she sent me a birthday challenge giveaway entry. So I'm going to go ahead and open it now and see what I got. So first I got some cute ribbon. It's got little like scallop edge on it. That's really cute. She made me a birthday card. Oh, that's so cute with the buttons and sequins. That is such a cute idea. That is such a cute idea. And then the little candle. That is so cool. Aw. Very cute. Thank you, Karina. Okay. So she gave me a little bag. Make the rest of your life the best of your life. Cute. Oh, what's this? A big doily. Oh, I like that. That's really cool. There's a couple of them in here. It's like, that's really cool. I like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull these out. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to start with, oh my goodness, look at that. Karina, this is beautiful. Cherish the moments. That's so pretty. And then she got some journaling on the back. I love how you did the little wavy edge here. That's really pretty. And then there's one here. Find your fearless. Nice. Oh, I love that. That's with book pages. She made that flower with book pages. That is a really cute idea. And then the lace at the bottom and the paper is really cute. Really cute. Oh, I think I might keep this one. Okay, and then there's a guest check. Ooh, neat, cool. There's some really long flashcards. Ooh, those will be fun to do altering with. Love, love, love. Thank you. Okay, and then there's a little bit of box. There's a little bag here of goodies. I love that she stamped the rose in the front. Oh, okay, so she gave me some labels. Oh, look. Joy. These are really pretty. I love the pink and the turquoise. Oh, that's cute with a little paintbrush. Little paint things. Those are really sweet. Oh, these are cool. Like book page on the back and then just little like tags with words on it. Very cute. Life is mine. These are really cute. I never even thought of doing anything like this before. And then she gave me a couple stamps. Oh, okay, and then a little card, some journaling space in the back. Cute. Oh, and then she did some altered playing cards. I love that peacock. That must be a napkin. And then she put some collaging on there. That's really cool. Live life. I think this is Dollar Tree tissue paper. I just recognized the tissue paper. Tell me if that's Dollar Tree, Karina. Okay, ooh, there's a little envelope. Oh, that's really cute. I love this little envelope. I know what's inside. Ooh, she stamped some stamps for me. Oh, this is really cool. This is neat. This is a great idea for a little, like, junk journaling exchange thing. That's a great idea. I've never even thought of doing something like that. You got some good ideas, girl. Those are really cute. And then she put it in an envelope. That's really cute. And then I just got some little papers. And then a little card that she altered a little bit with some washi tape and some stickers. Very cute. Thank you, Karina. I love everything. It's really cool. Yeah, so in her letter she said that she hopes that I could use some of this stuff in my junk journal, and I'm sure I can. Absolutely. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm like very inspired to create. I'm like, oh, let me just do it right now. Like, I'm definitely going to put that in there. That's going to be a cool thing to have in there. Yeah, so thank you so much. I love everything. Yeah, you gave me so much. Thank you.